Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Snapchat on Android with Device Manager steps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Snapchat on your Android device using Device Manager, start by unlocking your device. Access the home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Apps or Applications. In the Apps menu, locate and tap on Snapchat. You will be look for the option that says Uninstall or Delete. Tap on Uninstall to begin the removal process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall Snapchat. Tap OK to confirm your choice. After a few moments, Snapchat will be removed from your device. If you encounter any issues, you can also try uninstalling through the Device Manager. To do this, go back to the home screen and open the Settings app again. Scroll to find Device Care or Device Maintenance. Select Device Care and then tap on Storage. In the Storage section, you will see options including Uninstall. Select Uninstall to remove the app from your device. Confirm your selection if prompted. Once completed, Snapchat will no longer be available on your device. To verify the uninstallation, return to your app drawer and check for Snapchat. If it is no longer there, you have successfully uninstalled the app. You have now completed the process of uninstalling Snapchat on your Android device using Device Manager steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.